Today, I'm going to teach you how to block or blacklist fraud customers in Shopify using customer tags. This is incredibly useful if you've dealt with problematic customers and want to prevent them from placing future orders on your store. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Shopify dashboard where you manage your entire store. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen and click on Customers. This section displays all the people who have interacted with your store, whether they've made a purchase or simply created an account. It's your central hub for managing customer information. Now click on the specific customer you want to block. When their profile opens up, look to the right side of the screen where you'll see a field labeled Tags. In this field, type in a tag like Blacklisted. This tag will serve as the identifier for customers you want to restrict. Once you've entered the tag, click the Save button at the top to ensure the changes are stored in their profile. Next, on the left side of your dashboard, click on Settings. This opens up your store's configuration options. From the Settings menu, click on Apps and then click on Shopify App Store. The App Store is where you'll find third-party tools that extend your store's functionality. In the search bar, type Cart Lock and click on the app when it appears. This app is specifically designed to control who can complete checkout based on conditions you set. Once you've found it, click Install to begin adding it to your store. The installation process will direct you to a new tab where the app requests access to some personal and store data. This is standard procedure for Shopify apps. Click Install to grant the necessary permissions and proceed with the setup. Now you'll need to wait a moment until the installation is fully complete. This usually takes just a few seconds, but it's important to let the process finish before moving forward. Once the app is installed, click Create Rule. You'll be presented with options between Essential 1 or Essential 2. Choose the one that best fits your needs, then click Select this rule. This sets the foundation for your blocking conditions. Next, click Add a condition. In the field that appears, type Customer Tags. This tells the app to look at the tags you've assigned to customers. In the field right after it, type Blacklisted. This links the rule directly to any customer who has that specific tag on their profile. Now you'll need to enter an error message that blocked customers will see when they try to place an order. Type something clear like "Sorry, you cannot order." This message informs them that their purchase attempt has been restricted without going into unnecessary detail. Click on Advanced Settings to access more customization options. Here, input a custom rule name like Blacklisted so you can easily identify this rule later if you need to manage multiple blocking conditions. You can also adjust the error display location if needed, depending on where you want the message to appear during checkout. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click the Save button to activate the rule. Now, any customer tagged as blacklisted will be unable to complete an order on your store, protecting you from fraudulent or problematic transactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.